Oh, what? What's that? An open PCI slot? Well, I don't think this is going to work, but fortunately it has a blank that I can take out, and we can test these damn FireWire cards that didn't want to work and see if this machine detects them. We had trouble with that with the digital, excuse me, the, yeah, it's been a long day, a lot of videos today. The new video editing rig. I don't know if this is going up before or after that. If it goes up before, then I tried to install FireWire in that, and you'll see it another time. If you saw it already, because I put that up first, good. Anywho, let's shut this down and test the cards. I'm pretty certain they're not going to work. I don't know if it just has to do with Windows 7 not liking them, or the cards are really fucked, or I really don't know. Maybe they'll work with an XP machine instead, but what the shit, you know. This way we could just rule out and see, and this way I could say, yeah, it's probably the cards that are at fault. So let me shut down, and we'll go ahead and install one and see what happens. Okay, the first of the two cards that I have is in. It's just plugged in. This one has USB 2 and FireWire, and Windows is just loading now. Okay, just got the desktop, so we gotta wait a few seconds here, but I'm gonna go and get Device Mangler. As just a refresher course, this machine is a Dell, 2 gig of RAM, 32-bit operating system, 2 gig of Windows, of RAM. I told you it's been a long fucking day, folks. This thing came up. The fuck? In as few as 10 minutes, you can add new features to Windows 7 and do more with your PC. It's easy, quick, and you'll keep your programs, files, and settings. The upgrade might take longer depending on your particular PC and whether online updates are needed. Go online to choose the edition of Windows 7 that's best for you. Just go the fuck away. Why did it even come up? Well, there's nothing on reports that's different. Nothing here. Obviously, it wouldn't be in there. Just that. Nope. Didn't see the fucking card. Let's see here. No, this machine has USB 2 on board, so it didn't detect anything. I think we can scan for new hardware changes. Yes, it's called Dorky, if anybody saw. Doesn't seem to like it. Okay, I think this card might be bad. Let's shut this one down. I guess I'm leaning on the keyboard. That's interesting. Shut this one down, take that card out, and put in the other one. Okay, the other card is in. This just has 3 FireWire ports on it. So far, nothing. And we'll go back to Device Mangler. Maybe I inadvertently clicked that and that brought up the anytime upgrade. Yeah, let me upgrade. Yeah. You know there's a downside to upgrading, right? Yep, nothing new here. Scan for new hardware. Nope. Not a damn thing. Okay. Now, that still doesn't prove that these cards are bad. I don't know the age of them. And it is entirely possible that they had some sort of non-standard way of communicating with the system where they're not exactly a plug-and-play card and you need to install the software for it first before it'll even be detected. I've seen it time and again. So what I'm going to do is take a Sharpie and mark these cards bad with a question mark after them and hold on to the cards. Not that I'll ever need them again, but, you know, even so. So anyway, we've proven that these cards are likely bad. Not guaranteed, but likely. I still would like to test this on a Windows XP system, and it so seems a system that looks very similar to this might be finding itself on top of the freezer in the near future. I think my dad's computer needs 7. Needs 7. Because he's still running XP. And it needs 7. Yeah. So we're gonna hopefully do that one day. That was supposed to happen a long time ago. I was supposed to go out to him, and I was going to take the Buick. It was going to be a nice sunny day, and I was going to get his computer, and I was going to bring it back here because it's just too... I don't want to fucking stay there for all day and have my mother chew my fucking ear off all fucking day while sitting in a basement that's over 150% humidity. It's like fucking raining down there because he's too cheap to run the dehumidifier. It's amazing the fucking system still works. And the battery, CMOS battery in that system is dead, so that it'll get a new one of those too. But anyway, that system might find itself upon this freezer sometime in the future, and we can go through another boring video of installing Windows 7 on hardware that was never designed to accept Windows 7. That is going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click like. Make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.